Right, so we've got a chicken stew happening today. I love this one. I really, really, really love it. It's really easy to make. We've got some red beans in there. Vegetables, up to you what you want to put in there. We've got some beautiful spices. It's not going to take long. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here I've got 2 cans of tomatoes. You know, the kind of regular size 400 ml size can. There I've got chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Now I've got 2 chicken breasts there, but they're quite big. So you can see roughly it's about the same size in volume. And then here we've got about a cup each. So red beans, and then the vegetables I'm using today are zucchini, green beans, and green peppers. Now if you want, get some carrots in there, get some mushrooms in there, get some eggplant in there, up to you, maybe some sweet corn, tablespoon of garlic and a cup of onions. And then here, this is the kind of magic. We've got 2 teaspoons each of oregano, cumin, and chili powder, and then paprika. Now the paprika I'm using today is smoked paprika. It's going to give it a really lovely flavor. Be careful with paprika because it comes usually smoked, which is fantastic, sweet, which is kind of what you want with this one, or hot. If you're going to use hot, you're basically putting twice the amount of chili in, so just be careful with that. Let's get moving. So you need a pot, a pan or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using an olive oil, but if you want, you could use something like sunflower or canola, something like that. Let's get that 1 cup of onion in. Now I've just put the heat on. We're on above medium heat. To that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. There you can see the heat's just coming through now. And we're going to add now our chicken. Now like I said, these are 2 chicken breasts, but they were quite big, so it might be 3 regular ones, I suppose. What we're going to do for about 4 minutes on this above medium heat, we're going to throw this around and get it on its way. It's going to be absolutely fabulous. Okay, so we're about 4 minutes in. You can see that the chicken is changing colour, still a bit of pink there, but it is going white. What we're going to do now is we're going to add in, for me, 1 cup of green beans. Now, if you had carrots or celery or some other harder vegetable, you want to get them in now as well. Really simply, we're going to go for another 3 minutes. So we've just give those green beans a little head start on the other vegetables, which we're now going to put in. So I've got zucchini here. In they go. Cut them nice and small. Bell peppers. I'm just using green today, but you could use some multicolored ones, couldn't you? And we're going to add our kidney beans. Now, my kidney beans are from a can. If you're using them from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water, rinse them through, you know. Let's go with those spices now. So a couple of teaspoons each of oregano, cumin, chili powder and paprika. And like I say, I'm using the smoked paprika. Really is wonderful. Another little mix. We're going to go for 3 more minutes, stirring all the time now. And then we're just going to add our tomatoes, and this wonderful, wonderful chicken stew will be ready. Okay, let's do it. So those tomatoes, 2 cans, I've just crushed them up. They were a whole plum tomato, and I've just roughly given them a little squeeze with my hand. We're going to give this a mix. Then we're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to let it go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Beautiful, really beautiful. Fantastic with rice, this one, by the way. And just look at that, really fantastic, really, really beautiful that is. So happy. Nice and easy and really tasty. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt and pepper. I'm going to finish my one off here. I've got some chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, but you could maybe put some parsley in there if you wanted. Little mix, job done. Beautiful. And there we have it. So that's obviously fantastic with some rice, some just plain white rice. You could have that with some jacket potatoes or just with bread, but that's a beauty. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.